Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send PayPal Bitcoin to an external wallet. While PayPal offers a convenient way to buy and hold cryptocurrencies, directly transferring them to an external wallet isn't straightforward. We'll go over the current limitations and provide a clear, easy-to-follow guide on how to navigate this process. By the end, you'll understand the steps involved to successfully manage your Bitcoin holdings. It's important to understand that PayPal currently allows you to buy, hold, and sell Bitcoin directly within their platform. However, a key limitation is that you cannot directly send Bitcoin from your PayPal account to an external cryptocurrency wallet. To move your Bitcoin, you'll first need to sell it on PayPal, transfer the funds, and then repurchase it on a platform that supports external transfers. This ensures you maintain control over your digital assets. Since direct transfers aren't an option, the workaround involves a few simple steps. First, sell your Bitcoin within your PayPal account, converting it back into your local currency. Next, transfer these funds to your linked bank account. Once the money is in your bank, you can then use a dedicated cryptocurrency exchange or platform to purchase Bitcoin again. This new Bitcoin can then be sent to your preferred external wallet, giving you full control. After purchasing your Bitcoin on an external exchange, the final step is to send it to your personal wallet. Navigate to the withdrawal section on the exchange and carefully enter your external wallet's public address. Always double-check this address to prevent any loss of funds. Confirm the transaction, keeping in mind that network fees and processing times can vary. For added security, consider sending a small test amount first to ensure everything works smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.